Hello viewers, it's James from Drilling Nerd, your go-to source for great home improvement insights. Today, I will explore how to easily enhance your living space with DIY projects using power tools. You don't have to feel scared. It's simpler than you think. Matching your ceiling to your walls. The first DIY project for your living room makeover is to match your ceiling to your walls. This is a great way to create a seamless and modern look for your space, and it's not as difficult as it sounds. All you need is some paint, a ruler, a brush, and a ladder. You can choose any color you like, but I recommend going for a light and neutral shade, such as white, grey, or beige, to make your room feel more spacious and airy. You can also add some crown molding to create some contrast and elegance. Add a decorative border. The next DIY project for your living room makeover is to add a decorative border to your walls. This is a great way to add some interest and personality to your space, and it's also very easy to do. All you need is some wood, a saw, a drill, some screws, and some paint or stain. You can choose any design you like, but I recommend going for a simple and geometric pattern such as chevron, a diamond, or a strip to create a stylish and sophisticated look. You can also use different colors or finishes to create some contrast and texture. Give your bookcase a color boost and add vintage looks. The third DIY project for your living room makeover is to give your bookcase a color boost and add some vintage looks. This is a great way to spice up your old and boring bookcase and make it a focal point of your space. All you need is some paint, a brush, a sander, some wallpaper, and some glue. You can choose any color you like, but I recommend going for a bold and bright shade such as red, blue, or green to make your bookcase pop. You can also add some wallpaper to the back of your bookcase to create some pattern and interest. You can choose any wallpaper you like, but I recommend going for a vintage and floral design, such as damask, a toile, or a chinoiserie to create a luxurious and elegant look. Rearrange the living room. The fourth DIY project for living room makeover is to rearrange your living room. This is a great way to refresh your space and make it more functional and comfortable. All you need is some muscle power and some creativity. You can rearrange your furniture such as your sofa, your chairs, your coffee table, and your TV stand to create a new layout that suits your needs and preferences. You can also change the orientation of your furniture such as facing the window, the fireplace, or TV to create a new focal point and a new perspective. You can also move your furniture away from the walls and create some zones such as a sitting area, a reading nook, or a workstation to make your room more cozy and versatile. Repurpose your furniture. The fifth DIY project for your living room makeover is to repurpose your furniture. This is a great way to save money and give your old and unused furniture a new life and purpose. All you need is some power tools, some paint or stain, and some imagination. You can repurpose your furniture such as your dresser, your table, your bench, or your cabinet to create a new piece of furniture that suits your needs and style. You can also add some new features such as drawers, shelves, hooks, or wheels to make your furniture more functional and convenient. You can also use some stencils, decals, or knobs to make your furniture more decorative and fun. Throw in decorative accessories. The sixth and final DIY project for your living room makeover is to throw in some decorative accessories. This is a great way to add some color, texture, and personality to your space, and it's also very easy and fun to do. All you need is some fabric, some scissors, some glue, and some stuffing. You can throw in some decorative accessories such as pillows, throws, rugs, or curtains to make your room more cozy and inviting. You can also use different fabrics such as velvet, fur, or cotton to create some contrast and interest. You can also use different patterns such as stripes, dots, or florals to create some variety and charm. I hope you enjoy these easy DIY living room makeover projects with simple tools and found some inspiration for your own space. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Drilling Nerd for more home improvement tips and ideas.